Welcome to my channel, Technical Hacker Kali. In this video, we will install Avada Premium theme and WordPress website. First of all, log in to Admin Panel, and go to your dashboard. There are two ways to upload any theme in WordPress. First, simply go to Appearance at left side, then click on Themes. Click on Add New button and select your theme, but this way has error many time. Second way is, go to Plugin and then click on Add New Plugin. Now search File Manager in the search bar, then click on the Install button, then activate it. Now find File Manager icon in the left side of the dashboard. After opening this file manager, click on WP Content, then Themes option. There is your all installed themes of website. Now go to your desktop where your zip file of theme is placed. Now extract this zip file and then open the extracted folder. Now find Avada folder, then drag and drop in File Manager of WordPress. This process will take a little bit time to uploading. Your theme is almost uploaded. Now again go to Appearance and click on the Themes options. Now find Avada theme and click on Activate. This theme requires an addition plugins, so go to Plugins option of Theme. Now install and activate all theme which you required. This will provide you with a premium plugins for your use. What to download this theme? Just keep watching this video. I will tell you how to download this premium theme from my website, free of cost, so don't skip any part of video.